Hi, welcome to another video from MS Office Guru. We hope you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Nested if. In many cases, we will have more than one condition to be checked. In a simple if statement, we can check only one condition. However, there may arise another case where you need to check more than one condition. In those cases, we will use nested ifs. Let us look at this example. Now in column A, we have the units, and in column B, we have the weight. We need to show more if the number of units is greater than 40, less if number of units is less than 20, and medium if the number of units is in between 40 and 20. Let us look at how we can achieve this using nested if. Let us start in the cell B2 by typing in equal sign and the function if. We will see at the bottom the logical test. Let us do the first condition where if A2 is greater than or equal to 40, and if it is so, we'll type more, which is in cell E2. If it is not the case, it can be greater than 20 or less than 20. So let us start another if. Here, open the brackets and check for the second condition. If A2 is greater than or equal to 20, then it should say medium. Notice that we have already checked if it is greater than or equal to 40, and we are doing this second if that first if is incorrect. So if it is not greater than or equal to 20 also, then it will show less. Notice that the last bracket is in black. If it is in any other color, then you should identify that you do not have equal number of open and closing brackets. We have two brackets at the end because we have two if statements opened. Now hitting the enter will give us if the weight is more, medium, or less. As A2 is 50, we should get more. Now if I type any other number, the condition will automatically be matched and I can check if it is working properly. Notice here we have to make E1, E2, E3, and E4 absolute because we need to ensure that they are not moving and they are being referred to the same cell even if we drag down in the column B. We can do this by selecting the cell and pressing F4 in the formula. We'll do this for E1, E2, E3, and E4. Once we have done this, we can simply press enter and then autofill using the drag. Let us look at another example. Let us look at two discount prices. If the total is greater than 500, we'll get a discount of 15, and if it is greater than 300 and less than 500, we get a 10% discount, and if it is less than 300, we will not get any discount. Let us start with the if equals if the logical test is total. If it is greater than or equal to 500, we'll select the cell 500, comma. If it is true, the discount that we will receive is the total price times the percent of discount. This will be the discount. And if it is false, we'll open another if to check if it is in between 300 and 500. As we already checked if it is greater than or equal to 500, we need to only check if it is greater than 300 in this case. C2 greater than or equal to 300? If yes, then total multiply by I3, that is 10% for this discount. If not, we'll give 0. Now look at this error. Because we have not closed with enough number of brackets, it has shown us an error and it wants to suggest an autocorrect, which we have done. Let us make these cells absolute because we do not want them to change as we go down the list on column D. Once we have done this, we can use the autofill drag to finish showing all the discount. Now it has automatically applied the discounts to each of these cells. Notice wherever the price is below 300, it is showing 0 because we will not get any discount. When it is 449.1, it is giving us 10%, 44.9. The final cost will be total minus the discount price, which is in D2. It has to change for every cell, so there is no need to make anything absolute, and we can drag down it to the bottom and we can see the final price after applying the discounts. Thank you for watching the video. Please share this knowledge with your friends, family, and colleagues. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.